What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, we are here at the new garage. Man, we got all our bikes lined up, all our parts and stuff. We got the Camaro moved out. It's at the other garage right now, so we got about a good week. We can keep it there. So I'm trying to get as much stuff done here as possible so we don't have to keep moving stuff in and out, man. So meanwhile, our blue thing, we got to get the little stuff on there. So like we'll connect our speakers to the speaker pods because we got brand new speakers pods for that. We'll try to mount those up this morning. And then our 2014 Road King is coming, man. So can't wait for that thing. It should be here today. A couple hours or so, we're gonna see what's up. But in the meantime, we're gonna get cracking on this one, see what we can get done on that 2021 Road Glide Special, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't answered the giveaway for the Road Glide Special, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Also, we are giving away a 2014 Road King as well, and the same thing, man. So if you want a Road King or a Road Glide, man, buying that red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat will put you in a giveaway for either one, man. So buy one, you can get either one. You know, you can get lucky. Buy two, you can possibly win them both, man. So it's up to you. Meanwhile, let's get this day started. All right, we're getting started early here today, guys. It's probably about 5 o'clock or so. I'm gonna pull this blue one over here into the light so we can get started and see what we can get cranked out on it real quick. All right, so got something going here. We got our light over here, so now we can see what's going on. Let's get something cracking, man. Let's set y'all up on a tripod, see if we can get something going. I got most of this side complete. However, it's a few little things I'm trying to figure out. Kind of wondering if I want to take the outer fairing off of this one, at least so I can use it as a reference. I think that's going to be the best thing to do, just so we can get everything like dead on, but we'll see. Alrighty, guys, man, that took like literally, it felt like forever and a day, man. But we ended up getting that fairing on there. Does look really good. Got the inner fairing. Got to throw our speaker covers on there. We got to take this fairing off one more time so we can put our other turn signal on. So don't want to put the speakers in, the speaker cover at least in yet. We still need our door cover, like our hinge for this side. I thought we had one, but gotta go buy another one of those. Our doors gotta get painted, but literally looks pretty good. All that we need to do now is just put that front fender on there and we should be good. Throw them rims on. Oh yeah, we can put our cover on right there. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Meanwhile, we do got like speakers and all sound now, so that's a plus. Let's see. You guys see, we definitely got sound now. So I'm digging it. And our turn signals work. But we gonna get it going, man. What else? I'm gonna throw this thing on really quick. Alrighty, so we got our oil cooler cover over there. Now we just need to take off this crash bar because this thing is messing up this whole paint job. That brown is looking so whooped. So we got to take that crash bar off. Meanwhile, I think I am gonna pop this front wheel on there just for looking purposes, because this front wheel on here looks terrible, man. So I think I'm gonna do that. Meanwhile, gotta get the front end back on the other road glide situated, since now that we got this pretty much good to go, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Loving that fade. Does look really, really good, man. What y'all think, man? All right, so I guess we can get this one situated now. Should be pretty quick, man. So I'm gonna set y'all up real quick and we're gonna throw this back together. Alrighty, guys, we got our outer fairing back on there. Everything's good to go. So that's a plus. It's always good to have an identical road glide freaking side by side so you can get this one figured out. We need a new freaking windshield for this one. Our wheels, we have the crash bar already. So this one should be done, I guess, in no time now, man. It's literally just little stuff now. So can't wait, man. Meanwhile, I need to get this red one cleaned up before our shipper gets here, because this one is heading to North Carolina today. The Pennsylvania one is supposed to be heading out today as well. However, we're still waiting on paperwork for that one, man. We're literally waiting on one freaking piece of paper. I don't want to ship it all the way out there and then have to ship it back. But, you know, who knows? We'll see. Meanwhile, we'll get this thing pulled out, get it cleaned up one good time, get it by the door ready to go, because our Road King is about to take its spot today. So we'll see. Alrighty, guys, got it pulled back in. I am gonna throw that other, I'm gonna throw this Prodigy wheel, just the front wheel on here, man, because I can't stand the look of it with this wheel on there. It just looks horrible. So I'm gonna try that, because the wheels we kind of got are similar to the other one. So I'm gonna throw that on there just to see what it looks like, park it up, and then we'll clean this bad boy next. Alrighty, guys, someone call 911. Oh my God. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. That thing looks amazing. Now, we did throw this wheel on here just for, you know, looking good purposes and getting the idea of what it's gonna look like, as well as the front fender. You guys know we got to get that little riser, because we do got some 21s coming. So this thing is gonna look freaking great. I ain't gonna even hold you. That thing is gonna look like a freaking beast. Man, what y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. This thing is fire. This thing is fire, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. It matched up real nice. Look at the fade on that joint though, dog. Oh my God. Like, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. This thing came together so nice. Like, look at this gray and this blue. Oh my God. Just wait till we get the rims back. Like, these rims even look good on it. Like, if you guys think these rims look good, just wait till you see the wheels that I got for this thing. Oh my God. And I guess we can get a first start now. Got a little bit of gas. Probably don't got enough, but we can probably ride this thing and go get some gas real quick. That's probably what I'll do, to be honest with you. But we gonna see what's up. Gonna see what's up, man. Can't wait. Cannot wait, dog. Yeah, I'm about to hop on this thing and slide for a second and take it to get some gas. Then I literally ran out of gas at the freaking light, man. So I looked up on this one, but it is looking good, y'all. I can't even hold y'all. I'm loving this color scheme. This thing is fire. Oh my God. Alrighty, man, we done made it back to the house. Got that thing fully gassed up. Let's pull this red flame joint out so we can get this thing wiped down before the transporter get here now, shall we? Guys, we got him wiped down. Now we had wiped this one down thoroughly before it like rained in monsoon, but we didn't ride it in the rain, so literally just a wipe down will do. But anywho, what y'all thinking about the lineup so far? Man, this thing is crazy. I'm loving this blue over here. That gray and blue is something different. Definitely loving it. I like it, man. What y'all like, blue or the red? And just like that, we got the road glides to the left, street glides to the right. Man, I can't wait. What do you guys think about today's video? I'm digging it, man. Let your boy know in the comments below. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys tuned in early with me today, man. We got up super early, knocked out this blue and gray bike, man. That thing looks freaking sick. It took us a little bit more time because, you know, it didn't come together like the other bikes, man. So we had the piece and piece, literally took the outer fairing off the other bike just to see what goes where, and we figured it out. Looks good. What do you guys think about it, man? If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for this 2021 Road Glide Special, yes, this one right here in blue and gray, man, it is up for grabs. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, we got a 2014 Road King pulling up today, and that one is in the same giveaway. Yes, 2 bikes, man, so you guys can win a Road King or a Road Glide, man. If you guys buy 1 ticket, you guys can win either one. If you guys buy 2, you guys have the chance to win both of them. So if you guys haven't already, man, go enter now. And if you guys haven't, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.